The forest is quiet during the early morning hours. Sunlight slowly reaches the trees while insects begin moving beneath the bark. Then suddenly a sharp tapping sound breaks the silence. A woodpecker lands on the side of a tree trunk. Its strong claws grip the bark firmly while its stiff tail helps support the body against the tree. The bird begins climbing carefully upward, stopping often, listening, searching. Woodpeckers spend much of their day looking for insects hidden inside trees. Using their powerful beaks, they strike the bark repeatedly to reach food beneath the surface. Their long tongues help pull insects from narrow holes deep inside the wood. Each movement is quick and precise. The bird pauses briefly before moving to another section of the tree. The forest fills once again with the familiar knocking sound. Some woodpeckers also create nesting holes inside trees where they rest and raise their young safely above the ground. These tree cavities may later become shelters for other forest animals as well. As the day continues, the woodpecker moves from tree to tree across the forest. Always climbing, always searching. Its black, white, and colorful feathers stand out against the rough bark surrounding it. The bird suddenly stops and begins tapping rapidly against another section of wood. Small pieces of bark fall slowly to the ground below. Moments later, the woodpecker pulls an insect from inside the tree. The search continues once again. By afternoon, the forest grows warmer and quieter. But the sound of tapping still echoes between the trees. A reminder that the woodpecker is still working high above the forest floor. As evening approaches, the bird climbs toward one of the holes carved into the tree. The forest slowly darkens. The tapping fades away. And another day inside the trees comes to an end. Woodpeckers are specially adapted for this unique lifestyle. Their skulls help absorb the impact created by constant pecking, protecting the brain while striking wood repeatedly throughout the day. Different species can be found in forests, grasslands, and even urban parks around the world. Some feed mostly on insects, while others may also eat fruits, nuts, and seeds depending on the season. No matter the environment, the tree remains one of the most important parts of the woodpecker's life. Woodpeckers are rarely still for long periods of time. Even while resting on a tree, they continue observing the bark carefully for movement and sound. Their hearing and sense of vibration help them detect insects hidden deep inside the wood where other birds cannot reach. Some species prefer old forests filled with large trees, while others adapt surprisingly well to parks and wooded areas near humans. Subscribe to Wild Secrets for more incredible wildlife stories.